Oh, don't go behind the house.
Wasn't even recording.
Jeff, can you film it? Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm filming it right now.
You are?
We got, here's Colton. Wow. That's this new 150 race. And then Hunter, this is June 10th.
No, June 11th.
June 11th? Okay. And Hunter just started riding last August. He's doing pretty good. Here we go. That's about 12 feet. They could get a better jump. Okay, here we are in our back. What do we got going on here? There's Hunter right there. Never been on a 150 race. And Colt's on a 220 KDX. And he's 10. And the lead guy right now is 11. There's Hunter. These kids,
Let that freak you out.
they've never ever been on these bikes. 150 race right there, and this is the bike that he's been riding, and it's just a little XR80R, and he blew it up today, so we're trying him on this one. And it's the first day on it. That's the first day Colton's on that one. And there's Dean. Here we go. So I made a pit track in the backyard, so the kids are having fun. Here we go. Well, they're just having fun. All we did was just put a little circle track in, and now they're fixing the carpet because this is all sand. And since my kid's not on this new bike, or he's on this new bike. Okay, here comes Hunter. Woo! Good one. But all we have is just a little pit bike track, a little tabletop right here. And it's all sand, the whole place is. And we water it down. And there's a KDX 220, 10-year-old kid on it. Boom. 150 race, 11-year-old kid on it. Awesome. Shut it down. Just a lot of fun. He can barely touch the ground with it. Hunter doesn't want to quit. Woo! He's got it figured out, doesn't he? Oh, here he goes. Doesn't, you know, he's not shifting fast because this is the first time he's only been on this bike for maybe 30 minutes. So he's doing good. Here we go. Thanks for watching, you guys. One more jump. Okay, what we're looking at here is, this is my son Hunter, and I got him a new KX 85 race. KX 85R. And this is his 5th time riding it. And he's used to riding a little XR80R. And this is he's doing a lot better now. He's having a good time. And here he goes. Not quite used to it yet.
You know,
And his friend Colt is behind him. That's going to pass him right now. A lot more experienced rider. And he's riding a GRRRRR 150.
service it all and all that anyway.
So like I said, this is his 5th time riding this bike. He's doing pretty good. He's only 11. And the kid on the 150 race is only 10. He's got a lot more experience than my son does. He's doing okay. A couple of years, he'll be doing great. Better than me, old man. Oh, don't crash it. Get on it. Right there. Give it some gas right there. That's it for today.